Today, you'll learn how to make your guy miss you. It's not enough to send a few flirty texts. Love can be both beautiful and hard, but if you keep the spark alive and make him want you, you can make it both beautiful and hard. Even though it makes sense to want your partner to miss you when you're not around, it can be hard to figure out how to make that happen. You might be tempted to look for quick tips and tricks on the internet, but making a man miss you is a complicated art. It may be easy to feel longing and desire at the start of a relationship, but it takes work to keep that connection alive over time. So, if you want your man to miss you, keep watching until the end. If this is your first time here, subscribe to get more videos about self-improvement and leave a comment saying, "I subscribed." I'll do my best to reply to as many of your comments as I can. Let's start. #10 Let him miss you for a while. Sometimes you are the one who is pushing the limits and getting too close to your man. In a relationship, it's important to give each other space. If you send him messages all the time, he won't have time to miss you. If you call him every day or for long periods of time, you're making yourself too available and not giving him enough time to miss you. Instead, being clingy makes him feel like he can't breathe. On the other hand, it can also be harmful to not talk at all or to talk less. So, it's important to find a good balance and keep him on his toes. One way to keep a healthy balance is to reach out and talk to your man every once in a while, but not so much that you're always the one who calls or texts first. This shows him that you care about the relationship and are interested in it. It also gives him space and lets him start the conversation. It's important to believe that he's not ignoring you if he hasn't reached out to you. He may just be busy with other things. #9 Don't fight with your partner when you're angry. When you live with someone or are in a relationship, you might fight or disagree about small things. It's silly to make a big deal out of every small disagreement you and your partner might have. If you fight about everything with your partner, they will think badly of you. So try not to get mad over little things. Let's say he forgets a date that is very important. Try not to get mad and fight with him. Instead, keep your cool and ask him nicely. Even if you're mad, it's important to stay calm and be nice if you want your relationship to work. That's because if you fight, your partner will probably fight back, and a nice day could turn into a fight. On the other hand, if you stay calm, tell him it hurts you that he forgot an important date, and give him some time and space, he will probably feel bad and do something nice for you in the end. #8 When your man is busy, prioritize your social life. When your partner is busy, and you want to go out, it's important to not bother them and respect their time. If they already have a lot going on, trying to get them to join you could add more stress. On the other hand, if you leave them alone to work, they'll miss you. Here's how having friends outside of your relationship can make you look good to your partner. It shows that you're not needy and don't waste your partner's time. It will keep you from being too attached, and you'll also get to spend more time with your friends. When girls are in a relationship, they may want to spend all their time with their man, but this isn't a good habit. It can make you look like a dull woman, and it's also suffocating for your man. The best way to avoid this is to give him time to finish his important tasks and use that time to your advantage. Using this method will make your partner miss you too. When they see you having fun and spending a good time with your friends, they'll wish they could be there too. #7 Make him feel unique. It's important to make your partner feel like they're the only one for a healthy, loving relationship. When you show your partner that you appreciate and value them, you make your emotional connection stronger. This can make your partner miss you when you're not together because they want to feel loved and valued. You can show that you care about your partner through small acts of kindness, like a surprise visit or a thoughtful gift. You can also show that you care about your partner's life by being there when you talk to them and paying attention. By doing this, you can make them feel loved and appreciated, and you can strengthen your emotional connection with them. Later, when they are at work and thinking about you, they will miss the comfort and support you give them and look forward to spending time with you again. #6 Take his help. Being willing to accept help from your partner can strengthen your relationship and show that you trust and depend on each other. But it's important for any relationship to have a healthy mix of independence and dependence. For example, let's say you're walking home from the store with a lot of heavy bags. If your boyfriend is driving by and offers to pick you up, you might gladly take him up on it. By doing this, you give him a chance to show how caring and helpful he can be, and you give him a chance to help you feel better. Number 5. Assign him some responsibilities. If you live with someone, giving them tasks like going to the store or doing chores around the house can be very helpful. You can also give them smaller jobs to do. For example, if you have trouble getting out of bed on time but your partner likes to get up early, you could ask them to make breakfast for both of you every morning. If you do this, they'll get used to making 2 cups of coffee every day and might even miss making breakfast for you when you're not around. Number 4. Smells nice. If you try to look and smell good around your partner, it can help you get closer to them. For example, your partner might want to smell you even when you're not together. This would help them feel like they know you better. You can do this by trying out different fragrances or scents that your partner likes. They might like a certain perfume or cologne you wear, or they might like the way you smell naturally. By wearing these scents when you're with your partner, you can help them think of you when they smell you and feel good. This will make them more attracted to you. Number 3. Ignore him on sometimes. Don't be there for your partner all the time. If you feel like your partner takes you for granted, try this. Spend quality time with them, show appreciation, compliment them, cook their favorite food, and give them thoughtful gifts. Make them feel like they are the most important thing to you in your life. Then all of a sudden take a step back. Stop doing things for them that make them feel special but don't cut them off completely. You might find that your partner wants your attention and affection more, and they might even try harder to get your attention again. By using this method you can help your relationship feel more balanced and make your partner want you more. Number 2. Have a positive relationship with his friends and family. It's important to get along with your partner's family and friends for a healthy relationship. Having friends in common with your partner is a good thing because it gives you more chances to spend time with each other. For example, if you make friends with their sister, she might tell them about you, which might help them remember you. Also, if you and your partner have the same friends, they may tell stories about you to your partner when you're not around. This can make your partner miss you when you're not there. #1. Leave your things behind. Small things like your hairbrush, a piece of clothing, or a favorite book can be left behind to make your partner feel like you're there, even when you're not physically there. It can also make you look forward to seeing each other again. For example, if you leave your favorite sweatshirt at your partner's house, they might wear it and think of you when you're not there. If you leave a book you're reading, someone else might pick it up and feel like they know you because they've read the same book. But don't leave too many things behind, or you might look like you don't want to let go. Now, we have come to the end of the video. Best of luck in implementing some of these techniques. You will definitely see positive results. Don't forget to watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. It will show you how to keep your partner always interested in you. Make sure to watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.